Built in 2019 on the shores of Grand Lake, this home is picture-perfect lakeside living.
Welcome to 33 Acorn Crescent.
This 3-bedroom home starts with the beautiful kitchen with a wood-topped island and quartz countertops.
While the great room boasts vaulted ceilings and both a propane fireplace and a ductless heat pump.
Not to mention the stunning water views.
Next is the primary bedroom with its own luxurious ensuite bathroom.
And a private screened-in porch that leads to the hot tub.
On the other side of the home, you'll find a second screened-in porch.
Off the dining area, you'll find the home's main bathroom and 2 more bedrooms.
Off the foyer is a laundry room leading into the double-car garage.
Outside, the 58-foot back deck and stone patio create a perfect entertaining space. Plus, the outdoor shower is a great touch after long summer days spent on the lake. Thanks for watching. For more information on 33 Acorn Crescent,
visit frederictonhomes.com.